Hi, this is Ferris J, helping pets and their people to heal. And in today's video, I'm excited to share a lovely technique that you can use to help soothe your pet if they're in distress, if they're upset, even if they're in pain. This is a really simple way that you can help soothe their energy and bring them back into peace and comfort and balance. So we're going to use a technique called EFT tapping, and there's going to be two parts to it, because before we tune into their energy and we work with them, we want to check in, how are we doing? When our pets are distressed or upset, we often pick up on that and it can make us anxious or tense. So we tend to have reactions to that. So I want you to tune in. What's your reaction to whatever you want to tap for your pet, whatever you want to work with? How are you feeling about it? Are you nervous? Is your body tense? Are you anxious? Are you upset? So tune in and rate that on a scale of 0 to 10. 0, it's no issue to you at all. And 10, you're really upset or worried or anxious. And write your number down. Now, we're going to do a round of EFT tapping just using the words, my reaction. You tune into what it is for you, and it's going to help clear it from your energy. So before I begin, please take full responsibility for your own well-being if you choose to tap along. Okay, let's go. Tune into that again. What's your reaction? How are you feeling? Alrighty? My reaction. So you follow what I say and what I do. You just tap the points and you repeat the words and tune into how you're feeling. My reaction. And we'll breathe in and out once through each point. My reactions. My reactions. My reactions. And keep tuning in to what it is for you, how you're reacting when you think of their issue. I'm going to go collarbone. My reactions. And now we're going to go under the arm, kind of brow line for a woman. My reactions. And we're going to finish at the top of the head. My reactions. Okay, well done. Check in again. How are you feeling about what's up with them? Are your reactions the same or are they a bit different? If you still got a high intensity of worry or anxiety, anything like that, rewind and do that bit again, because you want to get your energy clearer and you feeling more peaceful before you then tune into their energy, okay? So once you've done that and it's definitely below a 5 and preferably below a 3 or even to a 0, because then you'll feel great. Now we're going to check in with their energy and we're going to use the tapping for them. So we're going to do this in the way that I use it in my groups. We're going to do it using a heart connection. So first tune into your own heart. You can put your hands over your heart area. Breathe in and just feel the love that you have for them, because that always activates and opens our heart, okay? Take 3 breaths. Really tuning into the love you have for them. One more. And now imagine using your intention, you're connecting your heart to their heart with their permission. And take a few breaths in as you settle into that connection. And intention is all we need for this. Nice. And one more breath. And now we're going to do the tapping for them. So today we're going to be sending them soothing, healing energy. We're going to be doing that with our intention, and as we're going through the tapping points, that's really going to amplify it. And even though we're tapping on ourselves, it's going to be helping them, because that's where our connection and intention are going. All right, let's go. Sending you loving, healing energy. I'm sending you loving, soothing energy to help you feel calm, to help you feel more relaxed, to help you feel really good. And you're connecting with them all the way through, yeah? So I'm sending you loving, soothing energy to help you feel good and to help soothe and calm you. Well done. Just done a round of EFT tapping for them. Take another breath in and out through the heart. And you can check how they're doing if they're in the room with you. Are they acting any different? Do you sense anything different about them? You can let me know in the comments below. If you like, you can repeat that segment and do a couple more rounds tapping for them. And you can be more specific. This is a very general round to help get you used to doing it. And once you're complete, you can thank them and imagine your energy coming back to yourself, your heart energy coming back to your heart as you thank them. And you come back to your here and now. So thank you very much for doing that. Do let me know how you found it. It is a really simple and effective way to help their energy system to rebalance and relax. So I'd love to know how you got on with it. Thank you so much for watching. If you would like to know more, I have been running online groups and I have an online class coming up in September 2023. I'll leave my email below and you can get in touch if you want to know more about them or working with me privately. And do keep using this technique. It's really simple, really easy, and really effective. Take care for now. Bye-bye.